Let's make super delicious chicken and cashew noodles within 30 minutes. I'm using just soaked chunks noodles here. Pour the boiling water and close the lid and keep for 10 to 15 minutes. In a bowl, add light soya sauce, dark soya sauce and honey. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Dry roast few cashew and keep it aside. Add few teaspoons of oil and chicken in it. Chicken marinated with salt and pepper. Remove the chicken, keep it aside. Add chopped ginger, onion, whole lot of cabbage. Cook till cabbage is soft, then add noodles. Pour over the sauce mix we made and add back the chicken in it. Give it a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally add salt and enjoy your instant noodles. Follow me for more recipes.